Hey guys, welcome back to Father Son's Garage. Today's video, I bought a dingo. Yes, I bought a dingo. Not in the best shape. It's in really bad shape actually. The motor, see if it runs. I'm gonna rip that motor until it breaks. Has some wide tires. Roll cage obviously. Has almost everything. The seats are like way over there. And right now I'm gonna clean it up, spray it down, pressure wash it, and yeah, so let's get straight into that. So I ripped the roll cage out, as you can see, it's all there. But it was starting to get dark and my camera turned off, so I couldn't record it. But I took off the roll cage. This is the only one that's left. And next, I'm gonna take out the motor, do an oil change, empty out the gas because the gas tank was full. Take out the torque converter, take it all out, remove the engine, fix it up, get it running, and wait for all my parts to get in. So let's get straight into it. Right now I'm about to check out the spark plugs. I changed the pull cord to be on this side, and I cleaned the gas. Well, I emptied the gas tank. Right now I'm trying to see the spark plug. Taking it out right now, and it looks like. Look at this come out. Thank you. This come out. Yep, that's the spark plug. Very dirty. So let's continue on. Right here I got the original spark plug. Check in their spark. I'm gonna pull it. No spark whatsoever. So that spark plug is not good at all. And so just to confirm that, I have another spark plug off a lawnmower motor. I'm gonna check that one. There was definitely spark there. So that spark plug is no good. That was probably the whole reason why this motor wasn't running, because I put fuel, changed the oil, I cleaned the carburetor, I did so much work and nothing worked. So has to be the spark plug. Let's go straight into that. Let's go get a new one. Found the spark plug. I went to Pep Boys, found the spark plug. Looks basically almost the same. Then I'm gonna install it. Hopefully the fitting is the same. And yeah, let's get straight into installing it. So I installed the new spark plug. Now I pray to God that this motor will run. Let's see. Got the pull start right here. Oh, spark. some reason the go-kart took off. Thank goodness. Okay. The gas tank fell off. I gotta fix that. But I got a runner, so that's all that matters. So I got the Dingo running. It works. I let it run for 25 minutes. It's idling good. What I gotta do next, I adjusted the brakes. So now I'm gonna test it out and see if they go for it. Now, if you're wondering why I'm taking apart this axle, it's because this wheel doesn't want to come off, and I'm going to be putting a 1-inch axle on here. It has a 7/8 hex axle. I don't like it because I'm not used to it, and parts is not the easiest to find. Thank God for good power sports. Plus, these bearings are no good, and I just want to change everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Stay tuned.